In the Philippines, the DPWH in 2019 adopted the use of Active Protection System (APS) for road slope protection structure to prevent soil erosion and rockfall. The high tensile wire mesh will keep soil and rock mass in place and prevents debris and rocks from falling. The project design improvement of existing chain-link fencing machine to produce slope protection circular wire mesh is a joint R&D collaboration project that brings together the following parties. Rebtrade International Corporation (RIC) as the private partner and committed adopter of the resulting technology, and the Metals Industry Research and Development Center (MIRDC) of DOST as the technology partner. The project's general objective is to develop a machine prototype that can produce circular wire mesh for a slope protection system based on RIC's requirements. Its specific objectives includes: 1. To design and fabricate a new mold assembly to create a circular wire mesh. 2. To configure and synchronize the modified chain-link fencing machine to produce circular wire mesh. 3. To conduct functionality and performance tests of the prototype machine. The technology would enable RIC to locally manufacture wire mesh, instead of importing it from its supplier, Geobrugg, in Switzerland. The intention is to import high tensile wires and manufacture the mesh locally, which will be different from any foreign suppliers. The Department of Public Works and Highways (DPWH) has adopted slope protection wire mesh as part of its Active Protection System (APS) for its slope protection projects in the country. They applied the APS technology to prevent soil erosion and rock fall and is contracting its implementation to the contractors accredited by the Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board (PCAB). The MIRDC and RIC comprehended that this problem requires R&D intervention and agreed to propose a project for funding to collaborative research and development to leverage Philippine Economy or CRADLE program. This R&D project aims to develop a machine prototype that can produce the RIC's desired structure of the circular wire mesh and is compliant with the requirements of DPWH. Using the developed machine shall be an effective solution in preventing landslides which often lead to total road closures. The following are the benefits achieved by ensuring our roads remain open. 1. Continuous delivery of basic goods and services from one region to another. 2. Reduced carbon footprint, since the use of cement is eliminated. This allows growth of vegetation and trees that regrow in the mountain slope that results to a green environment. 3. Increases people's ability to access education, employment, and services in other nearby regions. The developed machine can produce lower cost of production at 800 pesos per square meter of circular wire mesh as compared to the imported diagonal wire mesh that costs 3,500 pesos per square meter. This will generate additional income to the company as well as provide additional employment. Hey!